In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily remove watermark from Instagram Reels. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app and then just search for a reel you would like to download. Let it be that one. All we have to do is just tap at that icon and then tap at copy link. That will copy the link to the particular reel to the clipboard. After that, we can close Instagram, and then we need to go to any web browser and then go to snapinsta.app. This website allows us to download Instagram Reels without watermarks for free. All we have to do is just tap at paste to paste the URL we have just copied, and then tap at download. After a couple of seconds, it may show you some ad, just close it. And then we need to scroll down until we find download video button. Then if we tap on it and then tap at download, it will download the reel on our device. We can tap right here at that arrow and then tap at downloads to find the reel on our device. We can play it. As you can see, there are no watermark on that reel, and also we can find that reel if we go to Files app, then on my iPhone, Downloads, and here it is. That's how you can easily download Instagram Reels without watermark.